Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel and thank you for joining me for another video. So in this video, I'm going to be sharing 3 of my favorite holiday sides to serve this season. They taste amazing, they're easy to make, especially if you're short on time. So let's just jump straight into the video. So the first thing I'm going to make is my homemade cranberry sauce. And y'all, if you've never had fresh cranberry sauce or you find it too tart, you might want to try this one. I use 1 cup of cranberry juice, about a half a cup of orange juice, 1 cup of sugar, and a half a cup of brown sugar. Next, I add in about 1/4 of a cup of red wine, orange zest, and about a teaspoon of cardamom. Oh, how I love cardamom. Once I have all my ingredients in a pot, then I cook it down for about 10 minutes. And then once it's done, I remove it from the heat and place it in a bowl to cool. Once my cranberry sauce is cooled, I just top it with some orange zest. This is a really good cranberry sauce, and every year everyone is like, yeah, where's that cranberry sauce at? Moving right along to the Brussels sprouts. I'm actually not even using a lot of ingredients here. I'm just going to add onion, a little bit of bacon, some garlic, and crushed red pepper. So the first thing I'm going to do is cook down my bacon until it's nice and crispy, and then I'm going to add in my onions and cook them until they're caramelized. Now I'm just going to toss in all of my Brussels sprouts and then season them with some salt and pepper and a little bit of crushed red pepper. Then once my Brussels sprouts are just about done, I'll toss in my garlic and cook it for another minute. Then I'll toss in all of that crispy bacon. I don't know about y'all, but I've never really been a fan of Brussels sprouts until I started making them this way. So if you're one of those people you've always found them boring and bland, try them this way, it might change your mind. The final recipe I'm sharing is going to be my mashed potato recipe. These potatoes are fluffy, they are buttery, they are everything you want in holiday mashed potatoes. So I peel and dice my potatoes, but I usually leave a little bit of skin on them because that's just the way I like mine. And then once I'm done with that, I place them in cold water and a little salt and bring them to a boil. Once my potatoes are fork tender, then I'll place them in my bowl, start mashing them, and then I'll season them with salt and white pepper. Now I'm just going to add a little bit of butter and a little bit of heavy cream and about 1 cup of Parmesan cheese, and then just give them a nice mix. And then I'll finally add in some chopped chives. Then I place my potatoes in my serving bowl and top them off with some additional chopped chives. Well guys, that's gonna wrap up this holiday size video. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!